your version of the song Somewhere in My Past has resonated with so many people. Is there a particular message or emotion you wanted to bring out with your rendition of Somewhere in My Past?
Kasi the message of the song is about reincarnation. So, the first time na na-meet kang isang tao, feeling mo matagal mo na siyang nakilala. So, nung nagkameron sila ng first kiss, parang matagal na yung kiss na yung na-experience mo. That's the message of the song.
But I mean, what was the most challenging part po sa pag-create, pag-record ng kanta nitong Somewhere in My Past? If there were challenges.
Maano siya, na-hospitalize ako ng 6 times for the song itself. Namatay ang father ko. Ang dami kong napagdaanan. Nagkameron ng cancellation for the recording. Inulit namin yung recording sessions because the composer wanted to sound it like na parang yung gusto niyang tunog. So talagang medyo nahirapan ako for that to come up with the sound na gusto niya.
And grabe no pa, parang usually when you create, yung challenges usually comes in the form of creation, sa music side of things. Pero how do you deal with all these outside factors po na parang nagsisilbing hadlang sa pag-create nyo na itong record na to?
Well, hindi ko na lang siya iniisip. Inaano ko na lang is, kung yung opportunity nandiyan na sa akin, pagbubutihin ko na lang. So, wala na akong pakialam whether there are things na hahadlang. So, ang sa akin lang, lagi lang ako nagdadasal na sana sa ginagawa ko is guided ako ng, alam mo na, Holy Spirit, ganyan.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.